Adjust your Achilles heel wedges to achieve your required height. The arch pad can be placed under the arch in order to offer additional comfort and support. Verify the position. Then stick the pad down using the supplied double-sided tape. Place the wedges in the back of the walker and stick them down using the tape on the bottom of the wedges. Remove the backing paper to expose the double-sided adhesive, then stick into position over the top of the wedges and arch pad. Place the top cover into the walker. Trim with scissors as necessary to accommodate the size and shape. Insert the foot into the brace by gently spreading the uprights. Ensure the struts are centered over the ankle bone. Secure the contact closure straps, starting at the ankle and foot and working upward. Remove the pull tabs located in between the struts and the soft good before securing the top straps.